Hi everyone, here with the LENOVO Tab E7, and let me share with you how to add a photo to a contact in this device. So firstly we have to find and open the phone, so let me do it in order to enter the contact list. If you are on the keypad, just tap here and then choose the contacts. Here we have to find the contact we'd like to edit and tap on it, and tap on this edit icon. Just tap on it. As you can see here, we've got previously added a photo, so just tap on it and remove a photo. And right now we have to tap on it again, and we can either take a photo and your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you, or we can simply choose a photo from the gallery. So I will pick this option and just find the photo we'd like to use and tap on it. And here from this step we can adjust the size of this square, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because this area is responsible for that. What's more, we can change the position of the photo, so you can adjust it just like you want. What's more, we can rotate the picture, so just do it like you want to, and if you are ready, tap on done. As you can see, it immediately appears here, so just tap on save in the right upper corner. And here we've got the photo in the contact. What's more, it is visible on our contact list. So actually that's all. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your LENOVO Tab E7. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.